While not all favor the abolition of PDAF, they say many will benefit from it if it is put to good use. The details from Red Perfecto.
After President Benigno Aquino III announced the possibility of abolishing the Priority Development Assistance Funds due to criticisms from various sectors, PDB4 asked the public to give their opinions on the controversial PDAF or pork barrel distribution. These two employees were in favor of the PDAF but hopes that there's a change in the system of giving it to the right people.
Okay po ako sa PDAF. Kailangan diretso. Ang sistema naman Dahil nasa dramaturgy na yun Diretso sa tao na kailangan.
Okay ho sa akin ang PDAF. Basta diretso na lang ho sa tao at baguhin na yung sistema.
The other two interviewed by the government station were also in favor of the distribution of PDAF, particularly to those who are in need and deserving. They also hope that distribution will not pass through brokers and conduits who have different purpose for it. In other words, they hope that the PDAF would go straight to the recipients.
Originally no, maganda intention yung PDAF pero kailangan lang maging maigpit ang ating government agencies na concern.
Marami nag-iingat ko. At saka dapat siguro baguhin yung sistema kung paano makakarating agad sa mahihirap yan.
Meanwhile, the National Bureau of Investigation continues to examine and collect documentary evidences for the recommendation of filing plunder cases against the brains behind the 10 million pork barrel scam, as well as lawmakers and legislators involved in the controversy. Especially now that the 9th whistleblower and witness has surfaced against the illegal activities by Janet Lim Napoles and other big names in the society. According to the new witness, who is now under the custody and protection of the NBI, she personally witnessed illegal transactions by Janet Lim Napoles, as well as the distribution of money to people in cahoots with her. The authorities recently created an interagency anti-graft coordinating council to be headed by the Ombudsman, and which includes the DOJ and COA, or Commission on Audit, to conduct a preliminary probe on the plunder case. President Aquino personally appointed the Justice Department to file cases against personalities involved with the dissipation of funds. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.